If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to receive regular updates. Welcome to TechnoChamps channel. Today I'm gonna unbox and set up EGATE i9 projector. Inside the box there is a well protected packaging with plastic foam. Inside it, a user manual, the projector covered using a plastic wrap, infrared remote control, power cord to connect projector to mains, 3.5 mm jack to composite AV port converter and a simple AV cable. The lens of the projector with size and keystone adjustment knob, the control section of the projector with an LED indicator, a 2-watt speaker, infrared receiver is here. Here is the VGA port, AV input, 3.5 mm audio output, HDMI input and 2 USB ports where one of them has data support and other one is just for powering purpose. The looks of the projector is not bad, but the picture quality is important to be justified. So this is the sample test at night took at my bedroom setup with this projector playing Dolby Atmos trailer. The projector is connected to my Samsung Galaxy Note 3 via MHL HDMI cable and I play the Dolby Atmos trailer through my smartphone. That's it guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.